Another pending petition pala that is related to deferring to the political branches are the petitions to finally parang clarify na kung ban ba talaga ang political dynasty. Kasi 'di ba
Oh,
merong constitutional
oo nga
provision
pala.
we have to law. So ano ba?
Well, there you go. Kasi parang if we can create guidelines for impeachment, which is a sole prerogative of both houses of Congress, I'm pretty certain we can order Congress to finally pass a law that's 40 years delayed as required by the Constitution. That's the silver lining perhaps here. Kasi kumbaga, if you're a believer na hindi pwedeng makialam or ang independent branches, considering how overreaching this decision is with respect to a sole power and prerogative of Congress, that makes the political dynasty issue pending kind of less worrisome for me na parang okay. Kasi kumbaga, gumano na eh. Yung dynasty, legislation lang yon. Required legislation pa ng Constitution. Delayed pa by 40 years. Kung ito na hindi lang nag-act is already grave abuse of discretion kasi hindi gumalaw yung justice o yung SecGen officer, mas lalo pa kaya, di ba, na 40 years in-ignore. Parang that's the silver lining naman, yan na masasabi ko doon. Parang it kind of gives me more confidence that there is light at the end of the tunnel here.
But then wasn't that the same conversation sa same-sex marriage petition na wala namang effectively nagbabawal pero sinabi nila, ay, house na yung bahala dyan.
Well, look, I'm a judicial restraint believer nga kasi. So, I see when it was actually Chief Justice Sereno who mentioned that during the oral arguments of the Falsis case, saying that your problem seems to be that you're not convincing Congress to pass the same-sex marriage law. Shouldn't that be resolved by Congress? Diba? Parang ganon. For me kasi, I would have agreed with that as a judicial restraint believer, except that it's a civil rights, but I don't want to get into that kasi. But normally yun ang sagot. Pero if you're willing to directly provide guidelines on the House on how to even initiate, conduct, refer all of its impeachment proceedings. That has compared to telling the House and the Senate, hey, 40 years nyo nang hindi pa napapasa tong political dynasty thing. Parang alin sa tingin mo mas madali, di ba? Parang ano na eh. So that's actually a good signal to me kasi that means that the court is really gonna be more empowered and active.